Today I'm going to show you how to reduce the background noise from recorded videos and insert silence using Audacity. Audacity is my preferred audio editing software to make any major changes to audio files I'll be importing into my video editing software. Okay, let's get started. I already have Audacity open, and in order to import audio from recorded videos, we will need to install an additional plugin. First, let's go to the Audacity preferences under Edit. And from here, we're going to select Libraries, and then our FFmpeg library, click on Download. From the web page that opens up, follow the links to download and install the library. For this, I'm installing on Windows, and I want to go to the download page for FFmpeg 2.2.2. From here, you'll see FFmpeg for Windows and latest Audacity versions, the recommended zip option, as well as the binaries to install. I'm going to click on the binary. From here you can save or run, and once installed, return to your Audacity screen. Once you've installed the binaries, return to Edit Preferences, Libraries, and under FFmpeg library, click on the Locate button. I already have the binaries installed, but if you've installed correctly, it will find them and install them. Now that we have the libraries, let's import the video we want to fix the audio on. Click on File, Import, Audio, and select the video file you'd like to import the audio from. Once the file is opened, you'll see that you have the audio track for that video. The first thing we are going to do is reduce the background noise. Find a section of the video where there is mainly just the background noise for you to sample from. Select the section that has the background noise you wish to sample from. Once you have clicked and dragged the selection, click on the Effect filter, choose Noise Reduction, and click Get Noise Profile. Now we want to apply this noise profile to the entire track. I'm going to press Ctrl-A to select the entire audio track, return to Effect, click on Noise Reduction again, and click on Preview.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, these beats was my...
Now that the audio has reduced the noise sufficiently, I'm going to click on OK. If you find that you would like to run the filter again, repeat the same steps by selecting the track, getting the noise profile, selecting the entire audio, and applying again. For this example, you can see it's reduced quite a bit. The next thing I want to do is insert silence. So in sections of the video where you want to remove the audio, perhaps this section here, I'm going to click and select the section, go to the Generate button, and select Silence. You can manually enter in the duration, or simply accept the selection that you made previously. Click on OK, and you can see the audio has been replaced by silence. The one last step that you want to do is export the edited audio file by clicking on File, Export, and select your file format type. Choose the location, select Save. That's it. Now all you have to do is import the audio along with your original video file into your video editing tool. Hopefully you found this useful. If you're enjoying the channel, please subscribe, like the videos, and leave comments. You know what to do. Looking forward to seeing you around, and remember, work hard at work worth doing.